how are you doing? In this video, we will walk you through the entire process of connecting Pantum equipment to the PrintTracker Pro platform. Once we open our box, we will likely find a sheet like this, which includes a QR code. If, however, this QR code is missing from the box, don't worry. We will provide you with a link in the description below so you can access the registration page. When we reach the registration page, it will be crucial to fill out all the distributor's information. Additionally, the client's details where the machine will be installed, as well as the IP address of the equipment, such as the model and serial number, must be completed. It is important that the equipment's IP address is set to a fixed mode, which will enable us to set up with clarity and efficiency. And
against the computer on the network, so the first thing we do is install the computer on the client where we are going to configure it. We obtain the IP number of the computer to which we are going to need to take all the records, and with that data we are going to complete them on the registration page. Once we enter the PrintTracker project form link, we are going to find some data. We have already filled it to save a little time. The first field we have to complete is the name of the wholesaler from whom we have purchased the product. The second field is our name, that is the distributor who is going to rent or sell the equipment. In this case we use a fancy copyright name. Then we are going to upload the name of the technician, that is the email box of the technical part, who's going to get all the team alerts, team failures, and we are also going to upload the email of the administration people, which is the person who is going to take the counters or is going to receive the counters. Shall we charge the phone last? From the distributor's point of view. And what we are going to do at the end of everything is upload the name of the company from which we rent the product. It is not necessary to put the original name. We can use a code as you like. It is indistinct for us. And here we are going to have to upload the correct date on which the equipment was installed. Once we're done with all this, we give it next and move on to page 2. Once we go to the second page of the form, it will ask us to upload 3 data for each team. In the first place, we are going to have to load the model of the equipment. In the second field, we are going to have to upload the serial number of the equipment, which is the data that is going to be validated to know whether or not that the equipment has the year of the license, and thirdly, the IP, as I had previously commented. In this form, we have the possibility of loading 1 second equipment in the same way, or a third equipment also in the event that we had in this client. Many more teams. You can send an email, an Excel to these mailboxes that we will upload all the equipment automatically. In the next slide, we are going to show today all the equipment that is compatible with the PrintTracker platform and with the Pantum PrintTracker project. Once all this data is completed, the system will take approximately 2448 hours to validate the records that the serial number is the one acquired with the PrintTracker Pro license. And will you receive an activation email? That email will allow you to enter the PrintTracker Pro platform. And you will be able to see all the clients you have registered. Remember that each client can have more than one team without any kind of problem, and you can have the number of clients.
That's where I've installed the PAN equipment. Once you can enter Print Tracker Pro, you will find a tutorial that we are going to leave below, where you can learn about all the functionalities of Print Tracker. Remember that with Print Tracker Pro, you will be able to control the equipment. It knows the status if it's on, if it's off. Will you be able to remove all the counters, whether for printing, copying, and scanning, as will you be able to be alerted to all the supplies of the equipment provided once a month. You will receive all the printing, copying, and scanning reports in the email that you have left us in the contact form. What if I have any questions about using the tool? In this link, you will find a detailed page with numerous questions and answers to all your queries about using the platform. Additionally, you will find a support email where we will gladly assist you with all the questions you have about the use of the platform. What happens if my computer's IP changes? Well, for that, it is necessary for you to reload the new IP number of the computer into the registry. We will update that IP on the platform, and within 48 hours, Print Tracker Pro will be automatically monitoring the equipment.